So red one was on its own, the two black ones joined together. One went up from the supply and then into the machine. So, discounting that, because we know that's just a wire, neutral for the motor that comes from the neutral supply from the switch, which comes from the wiring, and we have the live. So let's try again. Right, neutral then. Let's go for that. Nothing there. Ah. 9.7 ohms. And then there's that one, which I wonder if that goes to that one. 4.3 ohms. What's that tell me? Personally, I would have thought they would have been the same, but I am no expert with AC motors, so I don't know nothing about AC motors. I don't know anything about AC motors. So let's, it was connected like that, wasn't it? 4.4. $9.7. I'm hoping these two are just basically joined together under here. Yeah, they are. Okay. So that's just a bit of insulation basically. So, down to you lot really. I don't know where to go from here, whether it's worth now salvaging or not. I'm going to say it runs once you get the motor running, so, and it runs really nicely.